Hey, a good, very good morning, everyone, and a warm welcome to another of my morning mantras. It's sizzling hot here in Gurgaon, India. I hope soon will be followed by a wet, a wet and bit cooler monsoon. Listen, today I thought I will share with you, a particular aspect of disruption journeys or transformation journeys, which, in my view, go through those peaks and troughs, right? So, in a bit of slightly different format, I wanted to share my views on what I called undulations, right? Ups and downs in these journeys. So, let me share with you what I wrote with respect to undulations, and then maybe a bit of commentary around how this can be how this is relevant to the disruption. So a slightly different mantra this time, right? So let me read it out. Yeah. So a poetry or a poem called Undulations. I look at I look at azure blue skies. Birds soar above, free, joyous, content. Below, many an ego locked in combat, unhappy, strangulated. Right. So a bit of trough. I look at azure blue skies and wonder what lies beyond. An uber power perhaps, reflecting, regretting the futility of his or her creation. I look at azure blue skies through the lush green of treetops, which were full of dust just yesterday, now rich and resplendent in the love of springs. I look at azure blue skies with dawn and dusk embellishing their glowing horizons and paying rich testimony to the evolving nature of life. I look at azure blue skies and see my faint reflection, and it dawns onto me with jarring clarity: heaven and hell reside deep inside. I look at azure blue skies and notice, with my now myopic eyes, a friendly group of clouds forming undulations like the exotic hills above. And it dawns onto me with a deep surge of affection: heaven and hell reside deep inside. I look at azure blue skies now and forever with a newfound love and affection for sunsets that go by and sometimes return as a blessing from the powers above, assuring that has not all been futile after all, right? So, I was just looking at the skies a few days back, and initially, I felt a bit of, kind of depression. Sometimes when you feel like so in transformation journeys, for me that happens when, the balance between governance and empowerment gets a bit skewed within large enterprises. So, it was a bit of trough. And then I reflected again at, the azure blue skies and looking above the dust and, the upcoming spring, right? And then you see how the nature itself has these ebbs and flows, right? So, yeah, just a bit of slightly different view through a poetic expression, if I may. Yeah, but remembering that you will go through in transformation journeys these troughs, but do remember that a peak with persistence and patience and perseverance, right? The peak is just probably another moment away, right? So enjoy this beautiful day, guys, right? If you're having a trough, remember that a peak is just a few moments away. If you're at a peak in your transformation journey, always be braced up for perhaps a trough which couldn't be that far away as well, right? So enjoy your day ahead and my very warm wishes. Thank you very much. Cheerio.